Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Remember, this is the #1 YouTube channel for your online earning tricks and tutorials. As you know, I usually review various sites, from survey sites, from anti-detect browsers, and also providing tricks and tutorials for making money online. Now, I want to introduce to you Incogniton browser. I'm sure some of you know about it, but now they have improved their services. They provide multiple browser profiles. They have unique fingerprint protection. I know many people get the problem of getting banned for using multiple accounts on the same device. So using Incogniton solves that problem, whereby you can be able to run multiple profiles of social media accounts, survey accounts on your same device, and each profile will be having unique fingerprint. So you remove the risk of being recognized as if you're using the same device. They can be used for social media accounts, for e-commerce accounts, for any sort of account which you want to have multiple accounts with a unique fingerprint. Trust me, Incogniton is the best browser for you. Now, Incogniton is not web-based, it has a software. So for you to use it, you have to download their software depending on your device. Now, about the benefits they have. Right now, if you create an account on Incogniton browser, they're going to give you 10 browser profiles for 2 months. Yeah. So within 2 months, they're going to give you access to 10 profiles, and you'll be having access to all their cool features. But now after 2 months, they're going to reduce the profiles to 3 profiles in case you don't renew. And now, another good news, they have a 30% discount on all their plans, on their premium subscription plan. The starter plan is the cheapest, around $14 or $13.99, with a 13% discount included, and the price increases as you increase the package that you want to get. So in this video, I've already downloaded their software here. I want to show you how to set up a profile. And for example, I'm running CPA Grip, High Cash account, Prime Opinion on Incogniton, and so far they are doing very well. I will not be able to open these accounts because right now I usually have opened my active accounts and then they get banned because people report my accounts. So you can see I run these accounts using Incogniton without any issues and very smoothly. So in this video, I want to show you how to create a profile on Incogniton. Then we are going to go through the features they have, and then you're going to create an account, like an Opinion Edge account, survey account using Incogniton. We see how whether it can work perfectly. But before you go in all that, let's go through the features. This is the first browser with the inbuilt proxies. Yeah, they sell their unique proxies. You see, the proxies are a bit expensive, but they are very effective in whatever work you do. So you can go through their plans. You see, for example, the mobile proxy, static proxy is around $6 per day. Yeah, so you can go through the various proxies they have. They also have data centers and so much forth. So this is the first anti-detect browser which provide a proxy shop. Yeah, and also they have their own inbuilt proxies. So under Incogniton proxies, these are the proxies that you have added to your account. But proxy shop is where you get proxies on Incogniton. So let's go back to home and profile management. Let's create a profile. So let's say Opinion Edge account, Opinion Edge. Then Windows. I want us to use Windows. This is the Chrome browser they are supporting. I like using the latest browser here. Also, you can add your proxy manually here. Just use your IP. So let's add a proxy. But before adding a proxy, I wanted to show you something else. Let's go back. Let's cancel. Let me stop. So let's repeat again. This is Opinion Edge account, Opinion Edge. Let's use the latest browser here. Then if you want to access a site with the minimum proxy requirement, you can enable here. Then you can enable free and unblocked Incogniton proxy. They provide a free proxy for accounts. So if you want to access any country, just come here and select the country you want to access. These are the countries which are provided. Yeah, and then if you want to allow to access webcam on that account, just enable so that they can provide plugins for accessing your your webcam. So this is for people who want to access sites with raw proxy requirements. But for us, we want us to add a proxy. So just come to this feature direct, then say SOX5 proxy, then we add our proxy import, then let me put my username here. The IP is short-lived, so even if you see my username and password, it's safe. So proxy rotation, you can ignore the other features if you don't have them. So you can also check proxy here. This is the best Antidetect browser with this most easiest user interface. You see, they're giving you all your IP details, their time zone, latitude, longitude. Yeah, even the the proxy speed is nice. You can see here, this is a T-Mobile. I've given a T-Mobile proxy. So once you are done with all that, just click create. This is the easiest Antidetect browser to create a profile on. All the other features for WebRTC, they have been automatically configured on your account. So after setting up the profile, just click start. So let's check our IP. Remember, this is the first Antidetect browser whereby setting up a profile is so easy and efficient. All you need to do is to select the fingerprint, the browser fingerprint, to input your proxy, and then all the other features for anonymity are inbuilt. They make creating multiple profiles very, very easy. And also, if you don't have a proxy, they can provide you with a free proxy if you're accessing sites which are not IP sensitive. That's very, very important. Don't forget about it. That's why after this video, you should all try using Incogniton browser. So this is the IP I put. It was T-Mobile. You see, the anonymity is 100%. You see, it's New York, Brooklyn. So now I want us to try to access Opinion Edge account, see whether you can be able to create an account there while connected to Opinion Edge. We're using Opinion Edge, sorry. So let's create. So we try to create an account here. Let's see. So this IP is not strong for what? For creating an Opinion Edge account. So what you do, we close this profile, we go back here and edit the proxy, edit proxy. Or let it stop first, I'm making fail. So we edit proxy here, edit again, let's change. So you have changed the proxy, let's check this one now. So let's see whether this one is going to create a update profile. Let's see whether it can open Opinion Edge account. But the browser is working perfectly. It's only our IP which has issues. So I've changed the IP. But anonymity of the browser is perfect. It's 100. It's providing 100% anonymity. So let's try to create an account. Let's see whether this IP is good. So this one is okay. So let's put my name here. Just the normal way of creating an account. But the key thing is to show people how to set up a profile on Incogniton browser and how to open an account successfully. So let's say 96. So we have to check the zip code. So this is the IP which has opened, where it's on wireless. Remember, the first one did not work, so we changed it. So I'm going to use this one, but to maintain the same location. So this one worked. Click next. So I have to choose a password. So let me verify my email quickly. So I've gotten the link. Let me paste it here now. Taran! And that's how you set up an Incogniton browser, an Antidetect browser profile. And you create a survey account or whichever account you want to create. Very easy, very convenient, and no issues. So remember, I don't want to do a survey right now because it will take me a lot of time, but the key point of this video, it shows you how to create a survey account when connected to a proxy on Incogniton Antidetect browser. So guys, consider checking out Incogniton browser and trying out their services. They are offering 10 profiles for free for 2 months. Try them out and give me the feedback under the comment section. I'll be happy to see whether it has been helpful to people out there. Also remember, Incogniton Antidetect browser can also be used for CPA marketing, whereby you can create 10 profiles. Each profile you put a unique proxy. Then in each profile you run your unique CPA offering, whereby you'll be able to drive organic traffic to your offers before clicking them. That's very, very important. Remember, on CPA, you cannot be able to click on offers without first of all driving traffic to them. And also on survey site, you can be able to create what? Multiple survey sites, multiple accounts for the same survey site on Incogniton without being detected. Remember, this is the easiest Antidetect browser, whereby while setting up the profile, you only need to select the browser and the fingerprint. All other parameters like WebRTC, all other unique anonymity parameters have been inbuilt to your profile. So it makes setting up an account very, very easy on Incogniton. So try them out once again and give me the feedback under the comment section. That's the update I had for you today. And for those who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you very much. If you're watching this for the first time, you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be very, very much grateful. So guys, thank you for watching, and keep it shocked to my next video.